Hi, my students. This is Radhika, and today we are going to do the unit Work, Power, and Machines. And in today's video, we are going to focus on the very first topic, that is, what is work. Let's try to understand it with few examples. So, the examples here are there is a person who is washing dishes, another girl who is brushing her teeth, and there is a person who is writing something on the notebook. So, are these three people doing any work? If your answer is yes, then you are right and wrong both at the same time. But why it's so? Why I'm saying that you're right and wrong? And this is what we need to understand. So let's try to see why we are right and wrong both at that same time. So work is divided into two concepts. So the very first concept of work is general concept of work. What happens in this general concept of work? Actually, whenever we try to use our energy, whenever a person is trying to use its energy or transferring its energy to do some work, to do any task, then he is basically doing work. So if I'm studying, I'm using my energy, I'm using my mental power, and I'm trying to study a topic. So yes, I am doing work at that time. And another thing, when I'm trying to open a locked door, so I would say yes, I am doing work because I am applying energy in that scenario, and that spent energy is making me tired, so I will say that I am doing work. So that is the general concept of work, in which we just talk about the transfer of energy. We just say that if we are applying energy, then that is work. But in the second scenario, the next case that I'm going to talk about is the scientific work. What is scientific work now? So there was a general concept, and this is the scientific concept of work. So what is the difference between these two? So to understand scientific concept of work, I'll take another example and try to explain it to you. So now see this example. There is this man who is trying to push something. So he's trying to push a wall. So let's suppose he's pushing a wall. So if I ask you, is this person doing work? So you will say yes, he's doing work, because if you are pushing wall, if you were in place of this person and you were pushing the wall for a continuous, like for 1 hour, 2 hours, you would get tired and you would say yes, I did work because I am applying energy into that particular task and it is making me tired. So yes, I am doing work. But according to the scientific concept of work, this person is doing no